Our island community boasts a vibrant artistic spirit, eager to explore the depths of musical expression. While familiar instruments like the guitar and ukulele enjoy widespread popularity, a treasure trove of underrepresented instruments awaits discovery. Instruments like the harp, cello, oboe, and bassoon, while less common, possess a unique beauty and potential to enrich our musical landscape. The untapped potential. The allure of these instruments lies not only in their distinctive sounds but also in the opportunity they offer for personal and community growth. Learning to play a less common instrument can foster creativity, discipline, and a deep appreciation for the art of music. Moreover, it can lead to the formation of unique ensembles and musical collaborations, adding a new dimension to our island's cultural identity. Imagine the possibilities. A harp circle sharing ancient melodies, a cello ensemble performing by the shore, or a wind quintet bringing classical music to our local parks. Many island residents possess the inherent talent and passion to master these instruments. However, a significant barrier stands in their way: the cost of tuition. Unlike more common instruments with readily available and affordable lessons, instruction for instruments like the harp or bassoon is often scarce and expensive. This financial burden prevents many aspiring musicians from pursuing their dreams and deprives our community of their potential contributions. Barriers to entry: high cost of lessons, limited availability of qualified instructors, expense of instrument rental or purchase, lack of community awareness and support. These challenges create a cycle of underrepresentation, where the lack of exposure and accessibility perpetuates the perception that these instruments are only for the privileged few. To unlock the island's melodic potential, we must address these barriers and create a more equitable and inclusive musical environment. A call to action. It is imperative that we work together to promote the learning and appreciation of underrepresented instruments on our island. This requires a multifaceted approach that involves scholarships and grants, providing financial assistance to students who demonstrate talent and need. Subsidized lessons, partnering with local instructors to offer affordable group or individual lessons. Instrument lending programs, establishing a program to loan instruments to students who cannot afford to purchase their own. Community outreach, raising awareness about the benefits of learning these instruments through workshops, concerts, and educational programs. Mentorship programs, connecting aspiring musicians with experienced players who can provide guidance and support. By investing in our community's musical talent and removing financial barriers, we can unlock a symphony of possibilities and enrich the cultural fabric of our island for generations to come. Next steps. To move forward, let's organize a community meeting to discuss these proposals and gather additional ideas. Following this, we can form a committee to research funding opportunities and develop a comprehensive plan for implementation. Together, we can make a significant difference. Please subscribe to support our efforts, making music in the island.
Hello my friend, welcome to the free summer music lessons. Learn a new music instrument this summer and be part of our music family. Choose from our fabulous music classes such as piano, violin, guitar, ukulele, trumpet, saxophone, and choir.
For the entire summer, you will be having fun learning a new skill, playing along with other students, or join our band or choir ensembles. Yes, that's from June to August. 3 months of free lessons, and you will learn a new skill, a new instrument. Maybe you'll be the next Mozart or Beethoven, or even become another music celebrity. Unlock your potential and show that you are capable and talented. Yeah, you will never know until you try it. Yes, it's not hard, it's not easy, but it's possible. Remember, all things are possible to those who try. Come on now and join the fun. Slots are limited, and lesson starts on the first week of June.
For more information, reach us at 272-2127. Thank you. The Harbor Live Piano School is excited to invite you to our free summer music program. This is a fantastic opportunity for children to learn and play a new instrument in a fun and supportive environment. Participants can choose from a diverse selection of instruments, including violin, ukulele, guitar, saxophone, trumpet, or even explore their vocal talents. Our program not only teaches musical skills but also encourages students to be part of our vibrant music family by joining our band and choir. Don't miss out on this chance to unlock your child's musical potential. Enroll now as space is limited, with registration closing on May 30th. We are open Monday to Friday from 12 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. For more information, feel free to contact us at 272-2127. We look forward to welcoming your child to a summer full of music and joy.
Last day to register for the free summer music lessons is this week, May 30th. Open from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. For registration, only $50 for the entire summer. Yes, from June 2nd to August 30th. 3 months of free music lessons or 13 weeks of fun. Free music lessons, violin, ukulele, guitar, saxophone, trumpet, and vocal. If you have an instrument not listed here, please let us know at 272-2127. Don't have an instrument? No worries. We can get you started with our instruments. Come on now and join the fun. Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. Saturday, 8 o'clock to 3 p.m. Thank you.